Starting from this point, which was May 2020, which most of the people know what it was about, we had a parallel channel where most of the stocks were growing in the similar fashion as you see here. But starting from the point of May 2024, Bell has started moving in a downward direction in a parallel channel. So let's take a look at that. If you see this, it is moving in a downward direction. It's a very slight slant. It has two channels. Every time it crosses this first channel that you see, which I've selected now, and between these, it is trying to stay between this, and it's moving downwards. Every time it hits the top, it is falling back, and every time it's hitting the support, it's going up. Don't know how long this would be, but it's kind of crossing with the standard behavior that was happening since 2020. The channel that we had since 2020, it's reaching its support, and it has bounced back from that point. If you see here at this point, it's very crucial. We can see that it might, if it breaks out of this particular channel, we will have to see if it's able to break out from the upper channel. If it does, then it might have a really wrong rally. Otherwise, if it starts falling, because this is the previous channel which was there, and if it starts falling out of this particular triangle, then it might fall further. So you have to be very, very careful what happens within a span of a month. At max, between before 19th March, I'm hoping we will have a clarity what exactly is happening at this particular point. So let's keep an eye on this and analyze if it's really moving away, or if it's moving downwards or upwards. But I would suggest you to keep an eye on this particular channel. But Bell, you might be able to buy, the cheapest you might be able to buy, I think, would be around 250, and the safest bet is 250. And the if it continues on this channel, you might be able to buy it around 280. That's what I think.